Okay then guys, here we go with a chicken with sweet ginger and pineapple dish. Lovely. So for this we need, let's see if you can guess, chicken, sweet ginger and pineapple. I'm using sushi ginger for this one. Some chicken stock, an onion, a few carrots, little carrots or one big carrot. We got some oil for cooking in, rice wine vinegar, tomato ketchup, sesame oil for dressing, sugar, salt, cornflour, and that's about it. So let's get cooking. So we just need to chop everything down into bite-sized pieces. I've already done the chicken because I didn't want to keep swapping the chopping boards around. Good tip for you, if your pineapple is in a tin can, you'll have lots of juice. I didn't have a lot, but if you've got a lot of juice, you can make your slurry up totally with pineapple juice. I had to add a little bit of water to mine later on. So like I say, bite-sized pieces for the pineapple, and cut your carrots Harry Potter fashion, diagonally. Diagonally. I had loads of little baby carrots, so I just used those. If you've got big carrots, then cut them a little bit thinner, they'll cook quicker. Top and tail and skin the onion, and again into big pieces. So basically, I think 6 cuts should do it, 6 or 7 cuts. It'll all break up in the pan anyway. And speaking of pans, get your pan on the heat. I'm using a frying pan for this one. I find my wok heats up just that bit too fast on the induction hob, so I'll be using a frying pan in future. About a tablespoon of the oil. I'm using groundnut oil. High smoking point, tasteless. There's the rest of the slurry mixed up. In with the chicken and get it cooking. It only takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Stir it all around, get the oil coating on all sides of the chicken, and once again, cook it as much as you like. I don't like my chicken too brown in a Chinese, but I like it cooked through. So once all the sides had gone white, we carried on with the rest of the ingredients. Like I said, I'm using lazy ginger for this one, so in with a teaspoon of lazy ginger, give it a good mixing around, and cook for about a minute. Then in with the veggies. I put the carrots in first because they're a bit thicker. I could have sliced them a little bit thinner really, but still tasty. And in with the onion chunks. Stir it around a bit, get those cooking. About 2 minutes again. Doesn't take long, this Chinese cooking. In with the ginger. If you can find sweet pickled ginger, use that. I'm using this sushi ginger. Very nice. Tempting to eat some on its own, actually. Put as much as you want. Maybe 8 or 9 slices. Give that a stirring. Then in with the pineapple. And remember to turn the fan on next time, Steve. Again, mix it all up. And cook for another minute or 2. It would be a little bit quicker in the wok, but like I said, I'm using a frying pan for this one. In with the chicken stock. That cooled things down a bit. Back up the temperature, get it boiling. In with the rice wine vinegar. And the tomato ketchup. I've been using this Hellmann's lately, it's very nice. Half a teaspoon of salt if you're that way inclined. And rinse your spoon off. Get that tomato sauce in there. In with the sugar. Again, another quick mixing. In with the slurry, if you can see what I'm doing. Doesn't take long to start setting the sauce. Give it 30 seconds or so, then off the heat. Add a splash of sesame oil. It's a good finishing oil, sesame oil. Gives it a nice glaze. little bit of a coating with a taste. Give that a quick stir in and time to dish up. On with the best part. Lovely. Loving that one. Mm-mm-mm.